So I just got this water trough here. I'm going to use it for a wedge bin. And I got this peat moss, some water, and some bed regulation. So this peat is pretty dry and pretty ground. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna so it started raining. So I just put this door on top just to make sure it wouldn't get anything on the peat moss. So this is just starting the wedge. Okay. So we're getting these guys. I think I'll just leave this lid in here, but because there's all these mites, we might actually want them inside this bin because it's gonna help. But you can see some of the asparagus I gave them recently, avocado. There's a guy. Let's grab all of this good stuff. This is not the best of moisture. It's all, I guess, jumbling up. Oh, that's so funny. You can see the cardboard I added in beforehand. Oh no, that's not good. Should have thought of that beforehand. There's all the tape. Love that part, but none of the tape. You don't like tape. Okay, with the rest of this, I'm just gonna just taking out these individual guys that didn't go through. Their conditions right now, I'm gonna just leave them to kind of settle in. Still have some of their food that they're eating, like that cob. And when that compost pile is finished, I'm gonna add some of that too. Gonna help with the microbes. Okay, I'm gonna just knock this too, trying to get all the mites out. I think I'm gonna mix the bedding in actually, because I just want to have it so that it's not, I guess, weird. I need some water. No, yeah, this is definitely dry. Oh yeah. Be good. I don't want these guys to be dying. It's better to be moist than it is to be dry. When you're starting out stuff, majority of this is mixed in enough. Alright, I think I'm gonna stop messing with these guys because they're gonna start freaking out. I mean, they already are. It's just, I don't don't want them to die. I think that slope is pretty good for right now. Can't get it any steeper really without it collapsing. I could try. It's just all wet now because I just added all that water. Oh no, I can definitely get some more height. All right, I think that's good. I'm just making sure it's all the worms are there and all the bedding is correct. Okay. So I just grabbed this from the compost bin. It's all nice and chewy. Yep. Okay. I'm gonna actually try to stick this inside there. Buried. Alright, so this is a few hours after. No worms on the sides. There are a few out here, little stray guys. I'm not going to dig into the material yet. They seem to just be adapting right now. But yeah, seems like it's successful. Whoop, look at these guys. I think because of the lid, they can be pretty much anywhere. But we really just want them to be in this area. I think once they notice that there isn't any food over there, or if they run out of food over there, then they'll stop, and they'll just go over here. Alright, thank you guys for watching.